Today, Mr. Bell is doing some kebabs outside. As you see, they're looking nice and good and everything. Yeah, we're gonna get these on and we're gonna just eat these for dinner and everything. Trying to do a little ribs too and everything. Looking nice and good as you see. As you see, Mr. Bell just don't cook in the Power XL. Mr. Bell cook outside and in the oven. As you see, they're coming out good. You can't see my face, but I'm just showing you these kebabs and everything. Coming out good. Nice and good and everything. That's the way they're supposed to be, just like that. As you see, that's cooking good. Nice and smoking and everything. Nice and good. We're going to do another batch, do little ribs with that and everything. And yeah, it's cooking. Okay, I put another batch on there. You can't see my face, but I have allergies, so I have a mask on. But that's the idea. We soak that in some Pepsi, a little brown sugar, garlic, onions, Pepsi, and let it sit overnight. And you saw these sugar bars right here. They're going to be so tasty. Yeah, and everything looking good. That's the second batch. After that, I will be throwing some ribs on. That's the last batch of the kebabs. My son is eating one, tasting it and everything. It's a big smile. He loves to eat.
It's pretty hot.
And everything. How that taste?
Blushing.
Okay, I put these pork ribs on. As you see, they seasoned nice and good and everything. And we just gonna grill these. We chop them in half into 3 pieces and everything. That way they can be grilled nice and good. Looking good. You can't see my face because I'm outside. I don't have my camera set up for outside. But this right here looks good on this grill. Okay, these are the finished kebabs and everything. Looking nice and good. Yeah, that's the way we like it in Mr. Bell's kitchen, but this is outside. Okay, you see me flipping them now. Flip the other one. Flipping it and turn it over and everything. As you see, they're cooking nice and good and everything. Oh yeah, looking good. How about that? As you see, that's cooking real good. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, we're just gonna turn that again. Wait, yeah, that's cooking good. Yeah, we're gonna cut them. Cut them nice and good. Oh yeah, so that way they get a nice, good cook. Yeah, looking good. Cut all them ribs up nice and good. She got them scissors, cut everything. You see how I cut that meat nice and good and everything? I'm telling you, they sharp. Yeah. She doing it.
See?
Yeah. Nice and good.
At least it's not gonna fall because they.
Yeah, it's good. Nice, flat and everything.
And then we can just turn it.
I'm gonna cut the other one too, might as well. It's getting nice, good, and brown and everything. Today we eating a little late and everything, but it's all right. So everybody happy when they eating. Yeah.
The bones.
Yeah, these ribs just about done. We're gonna take these ribs off. I'm not too much barbecuing outside, but it's getting hot, so I guess I'll be doing some cooking outside and everything. But it's looking good. My wife's gonna take them off and everything. Yeah. Yes. So my son gonna take them off and everything, and put them in that pan and everything. Yeah. Yeah. It's looking good. Just take them off. Take them off. Take all of them off. Yeah. Yeah, he's cooking today. You know it's hot for him and everything, but he got to get used to it too. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. The food looked delicious and it tastes good. Everybody enjoying it. Thank you. If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do is hit that bell. You'll subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen.